Today we are fishing at Warmwell Holiday Park. I'm with my dad. We are fishing 2 rods each. 2 rods to the island. And the other 2 rods at the back of the lily pad. Now we will sit back and wait for a run. It wasn't long before we had our first take. It feels like a really good fish. It's so strong, it's taken loads of line. Finally, it's ready for the net. And here it is, a lovely leathery old carp. And almost straight away I was into another fish.
I will run, I will climb, I will soar. I'm undefeated.
This one definitely feels a lot bigger.
Out of my skin, pull the cord. Yeah, I believe it. Oh, the past is everything we were. Don't make us
It's
who we
running
are.
into the snag.
So I'll dream until I make it real, and all I see is stars. It's
taken me all round the lake.
You fly. When your dreams come alive, you're unstoppable. Take a shot, chase the sun, find the beautiful. We will go in the dark, turning dust to gold, and we'll dream impossible.
After a very long battle, I finally start to win. Fish is tired and ready for the net.
I will chase, I will reach, I will fly until I'm breaking out my cage like a bird in the night.
Absolute epic old carp, this one. I'd say just over £20. Thank you for watching and please subscribe to my channel.